Hey everyone, so here's step two in our company information collection that we're working on today. I don't have the reward set or the number of tasks available because you guys are currently working on the company name retrieval. But once I get those back, I'll get all the tasks in there, and then as far as the reward goes, I think as I work on these, I'm going to understand how long they're taking, and you will as well. And so by timing myself here on this video, it will come up with a what I think is a fair price for these things. And so to show you, so we're going to start with the Google stopwatch, and here we go. So we're going to do about 3 or 4 of these here. So what we're going to try to do is, given now the company name and the domain, there's about what seven things we want to try to look for here. So the first thing we want to look for is the LinkedIn URL. I give you a search. So what we want to find is the company LinkedIn page, which here we do not have. So all of these are people. All of these are people pages or job postings. What we're looking for is a company LinkedIn page. And so right off the bat, I would say that this doesn't look like there is a company page. Hopefully we can find one a little bit later so you can see what that looks like. But given that, I'm going to move on. So because we don't have a LinkedIn page, we can't take the industry from the LinkedIn page, so we're going to move on. Now we're going to look for the number of locations that Longview Dex has. So I give you Longview Dex number of locations. Let's see here. So we're going to see, I've been using, it looks like is a single location business. Go check their, come in here. And it looks like to me, yeah, it's looking like a single location business. So I feel comfortable coming in here and saying number of locations equals 1. Number of employees, again, that Manta actually had some data on this. It looked like approximately 2. So we're going to go ahead and be good with that. We'll do 2. The revenue, I think I'm going to keep Manta up here. It has our annual revenue of about 85,000. So you don't need to be exact here. You can use shorthand. Just need to, yeah, just make it so, make sure I know what you're doing here. So 85K, and then SIC and NAICS code. Let's go see if Manta has any of that here for us. Let's see, detailed information. Yep, SIC code 1761 and NAICS code 238160. Copy and paste that over here, and that's it for this company. That's actually pretty good. I'm happy scraping Manta for this or any other kind of data aggregation site. I'm cool with it. So that looks good to me. So we'll move on to the next one. So next up, we've got the Meridian Valley Country Club. Let's go see if we can find a LinkedIn. So this is perfect. This is a LinkedIn company page. You can see the company link right here. So we will click through, go to the LinkedIn Meridian Country Club page here. I'm logged into mine, but whatever. Go to, just copy and paste the LinkedIn link here. Go ahead and send it over this way. For industry, what I'm looking for is this right here. LinkedIn classifies it as sports, which I'm cool with. So do that, copy and paste sports over here. And now we're into, again, the number of locations. Since it's a country club, I'd be pretty happy saying that it's probably just a single location. Might even search, let's see, since it was so fruitful, search Manta here. Doesn't look like here. It is right there. Let's go see where it is on the Meridian Valley Country Club. There we go. Let's go see. There we go. So we found it. Manta, again, happy with it. This looks like the right place. Come down to the detailed information. Employees is 6. So let's, again, location I would say is 1. It's a country club. There's going to be just 1 of them. I'm happy with that. Employees was 65. Here, revenue is, let's see, about 3.5 million is what it looks like. So I'm happy coming over here and saying 3.5 mil. SIC code 7997. And NAICS code equals 713910. So I'm happy with that. Again, that came together pretty quickly, especially once you find Manta. They seem to be a good source right now, and I'm fine with that data. So on to the next one, the Minkiti group. Let's see, we'll go look for their LinkedIn here. Oh, no, sorry. Minkiti group, let's see, there's a LinkedIn for us right there. Copy and paste the link into here. Their real estate company, that's the industry right there. Number of locations, come over here. These are all listings, that's fine. Let's do what we just did, which was search for Manta. Minkiti group. Again, happy with this. Let's see, is a single location business, so happy with going one here. Number of employees, 8. Revenue is 1.5 million roughly. So happy type in 1.5 mil. SIC code is 6531. And NAICS code is 531.320. Okay, and happy with that. Do one more, get 4 of these done in total. So we've got Gaddy's Pizza, Gaddy's Great Pizza, Inc. So let's go look on here, jobs, Mr. Gaddy's Pizza. This is a little biased. I know that this is the same company. This is here in Austin. I guess they're based out of Fort Worth, but yeah. So I would take Mr. Gaddy's Pizza, same thing. I'm gonna copy and paste the LinkedIn. For the LinkedIn industry, it's restaurants. Number of locations. This is an interesting one here because it's a restaurant. We know there's going to be multiple of them, so we can come over here. Let's see if we can try to deduce. Don't see anything here. This one's taking a little research. Gaddy's Pizza on Wikipedia, maybe. Locations. There we go. Gaddy's Pizza currently has more than 140 locations. So I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and move with it. So 140 locations. Number of employees. Let's try to do the Manta thing again. Yeah, this is off here because you can kind of see it's the Gaddy's Great Pizza thing. It's a goofy name. Let's do. Let's try looking for the number of employees of Mr. Gaddy's. And so, again, I'm taking a little bit of liberty here, but Gaddy's number of employees. Let's do Manta. So this is a specific location. This is a little tougher because this is a whole bunch of franchises. And I'm trying to figure out just the total number of employees. So here's what I'm going to do for this one. I'm going to go to their LinkedIn here and see that there are 200 employees. I'm happy. Nah, that's tough. Yeah, let's just leave it. We'll leave it blank. We don't know. All that work for nothing. All right, now let's go look for revenue. Let's see what's Gaddy's Pizza. Got an SIC code. Estimated employees is 124. You know what? I'm happy with that, even though it's going to be wrong because the locations are greater. Let's see. 40.5 million is estimated revenue. I'm happy with that. That's fine. SIC code is 5990. Go away. 5990 for NAICS. I'm sorry for SIC. And for NAICS, let's go see what this has to say. Nothing. All right, don't know what that's about. Yeah, and let's go real quick. Let's do the Mr. Gaddies again. Manta research, because any of these, I'll be happy pulling the SIC and NAICS. So this one is 5812, which doesn't match there, but whatever. And then NAICS, let's do 722513 from here. So that's a full profile. I'm happy with it. Found all that data somewhere on the web. Number of employees I think is off if the number of locations is right, which, I think this is good enough given what we have. So all that, for 4 of them, that took me about 10 minutes. So we're talking about 2.5 minutes per. And so I will do the math on that, come out with something that pays 10 to 12 bucks hourly. If you're doing it at average speed, if you do it faster, hopefully you make more. That's the goal. Let me know if you have any questions. Shoot me an email by clicking here if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.